Valentine. I heard the dog barking eh. Kaya, oh naman. Thank you so much.
Happy Valentine.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Wow. Daming pa Valentines. Thank you so much. So thoughtful talaga ng anak ko. Love you. Nice naman this. Thank you. Salamat. Ooh. Ano ba? May pa ganon. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Love you. Parang mamilos na mamilos ang effect, ano? Naalala mo mamilos?
Yeah. First na.
See, nice. Forever.
Yeah.
Dove chocolate. Sabi ni CJ, I love you to the moon and back. And yeah, I love you. Doorbell. May pa-doorbell ka dyan. Wow, I love it. Wow naman. Yan naman eh. Thank you. Happy Valentine's. Finally! My favorite plant. Hey, hey, hey. Maya, shh, ay lumabas. Yan naman ang pa-Valentine ko sa'yo.
Hindi pa. Oh, yeah.
Oh, dumating. Ay, sakto nandyan si CJ, oh.
Hindi ako naghihil yung likod eh.
Kaya nga, sakit na nga ng katawan ko. Wait lang.
Hey!
Ay, nabas na naman. Oh, yan ang Valentine ko sa'yo, ha. Happy Valentine's din. Ito na siya. Ang aking paboritong halaman. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yan. Very nice, di ba?
Lipat mo na lang.
Yan. Yun. Na,
Kasi tinanong ko eh.
oh,
It's better.
yung meron ako, napalaki ko na rin ng konti. Pero yun. There. Yan.
For you.
Wow, sweet naman. Thank you. This is so
Happy
beautiful.
Valentine's Day.
Thank you. Love you, baby. Happy Valentine's too. Oh, nice naman. Thank you.
Welcome.
I love you.
I love you too.
How handsome naman my baby.
Can I stay here?
Weekend mo ba?
Yeah.
Yan ang Valentine's pagmamahal. Gabi na nakauwi, magluluto pa. Tayo. Oh, Mr. V, pag Valentine's, ang magandang panoorin na movie, horror.
Horror.
Bakit?
Bagno agara-ara ko man. Ibutang na may.
Butong naman. Kain na tayo. Happy Valentine's Day.